Layher Cassette Roof for weather protection and temporary hauls. Unlimited applications. Large spans. High loads. The adaptable roofing system for large spans and high loading capacities. Enormously stable for versatile interim weather protection. Can also be mounted on other scaffolding structures. The Layher Cassette Roof is an engineered and dependable product offering maximum flexibility. With the Layher Cassette Roof, you can build a secure roof anywhere in no time. The roof beams are connected on the ground and braced. Then the roof cassettes are placed on them, with the finished unit then being lifted by crane onto the supporting scaffolding. Only every second roof bay is assembled as a truss bay. The ridge beam determines the roof pitch of the roof. The rain can flow off quickly. The site crane lifts the truss. The remaining roof beams are positioned and covered with the roof cassettes provided. Clamping plates, secured by wedges, hold the roof cassettes tightly and reliably on the roof beams. Optimum connection devices ensure quick and easy assembly at all times. Everything fits together quickly and precisely. Reliant insert pins secure the connections. All cassettes are rainproof roof coverings, which additionally provide plan brace stiffeners, which ensure a considerable material saving. When covered with sheet steel, they can be walked on. When covered with plastic panels, they're translucent. When provided with an access, they provide safe access onto the roof. Alternatively, and if the relevant safety legislation allows, a forklift truck can also do the job of lifting the trusses, and thus reduces the number of crane working hours. For larger spans or higher loading capacities, a tension bar tie can be provided. All safety equipment is pre-assembled on the ground. The positioning of the cassettes into the intermediate bays on the roof is done without risk. Both the guardrails at the gable end and eaves are standard parts of the system. The Layher rope safety system guarantees safety on the roof. Rapidly fitted over the connections of the roof cassettes and stretched in a simple operation, it permits roping up on the roof during final assembly of the intermediate cassette bays. The complete truss is lifted by the crane into the mounted roof supports on top of the receiving scaffold. Roof trusses are only attached in every second bay. The intermediate bays are closed by the insertion of roof cassettes. After centering, the trusses are locked on the supporting structure by wedges to prevent them from being lifted off. Access cassettes ensure risk-free movement of operatives from the scaffolding up onto the roof surface. The crane lifts the roof cassettes in stacks up to their place of use. Two men can handle the carrying and laying of the cassettes in the trusses effortlessly and rapidly. The roof can be walked over due to its high load-bearing capacity, making any necessary snow clearing safe. Material can be precisely supplied to any point on or within the roof. Simply remove the cassettes, secure the opening, and then reclose it. The Layher cassette roof is site-oriented and practical for frequently changing and varied applications. On Layher Speedy Scaff and Layher all-round equipment, but also on other scaffolding systems too, or tube and coupler scaffold. The Layher cassette roof is an effective and versatile design. Positionable at any height, it covers any length of building and can provide immense spans thanks to its modular design. With a few individual elements, you can build many assembly variants. All steel parts are hot-dip galvanized for prolonged and frequent use. So your investment is always used optimally and economically. The Layher cassette roof system. Technology that sets standards.